Hey guys, what's going on? Cameron here with the Lawn Care Life in Mowssouri. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content. Now today, we're going to be checking out the Toro 60V chainsaw. I got it right here. It's brand new. I've never used it. Battery powered, has a 7.5 amp hour battery. So that is what is going to be powering this chainsaw. Brand new, never used it. Toro brushless chainsaw. So I'm going to take it out here at the homestead and we're going to cut some things here. We got a lot of woods where we live. The house is sitting in the middle of the woods. So we got about, I don't know, 10 acres out here of woods to mess around on. So we're going to take this out here right now and we're going to try it out. So if you like this video, hit that like button, but I'm out of here. Let's head to the woods. All right, so as you guys can see, that was super easy. Here on our property, we always have trees that fall, always have something that needs to be cut up and moved out of the way. So if you guys have been following the channel for a while, you guys probably know what I'm about to do with these logs. And that's get the Ventrac out with the bucket and grapple and move these logs back there to our little log pile. I'm not sure how big that stump is, but hey, I'm impressed with the Toro 60V battery powered chainsaw. It's got plenty of power, as you can see, to eat through a pretty good sized tree. I'll put the tape on it and we'll see exactly how wide this stump is right here. About 18 inches wide. Throwback Thursday, man. Hey, throwback to whenever battery powered equipment was a joke. Now it's come a long ways. We got the Toro 60V chainsaw, has the 14-inch bar, 18 inches in diameter, and the Toro 60V chainsaw got the job done. It has a 7.5 amp hour battery and like I said, a 14-inch bar. So didn't even use one bar on the battery. So it did really well. If you guys are looking for a battery powered chainsaw to knock out, you know, a small job, or just have in the shop or around the house where you can just pull it out and cut some limbs or cut a tree, check out the Toro 60V chainsaw right here, man. It's got a lot of power. I was impressed. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the content. Like I said before, if you do like the content and you want to subscribe and be notified of future videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified of all the upcoming videos. But thanks again for watching. I'm Cameron with the Lawn Care Life in Mowssouri. Hope you guys are having a good day, man. And as always, hey, God provides.